Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a high-quality image and the NDA file. Choose a headshot at 300 dpi, JPG, or PNG under 2 MB so it embeds reliably. Once done, open the NDA PDF in an editor that supports image placement, Adobe Acrobat, a trusted PDF editor, or LibreOffice Draw. Make a quick decision where the photo belongs: signature block, header, or ID section. This prevents re-editing later. Make sure the placement respects 1/2 margins and any company layout rules. Now insert and format the photo precisely. You place the image using the editor's Insert Image tool or by dragging the file into the document. Once placed, hold aspect ratio and resize to roughly 1.5 to 2 inches high. Then align it with text, set appropriate opacity if the document needs a watermark effect, and add alt text for accessibility. After positioning, lock the image or flatten the PDF to prevent accidental moves. This step ensures the photo looks professional and stays put. Finish by securing and validating the NDA with the photo. You should flatten the document or export to PDF/ as a final version. Retain an editable copy in case changes are needed. Then verify at 100% zoom and do a print test to confirm clarity and placement. Check file size, and that text remains selectable if required. If something goes wrong, like the image shifting, reinsert using the editor's embedded option or rasterize the page before saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.